Hey friends, if you encounter driver verifier DMA violation blue screen of death error on your system, then please watch this video. Now, whenever I encounter any blue screen of death error, my first approach is to unplug peripherals associated with it. Let's say that you just connected some peripheral like a printer, scanner, or camera, which has the ability of pushing its own drivers to the system. So these drivers will interfere with the existing drivers on the computer, and that clash will cause the blue screen of death error. The next solution is to update Windows. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and select Check for Updates in the right pane. The next one is to update all the drivers. So right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, and then you can select Advanced Options in the right pane. Select Optional Updates. If you find any optional update, especially the driver updates, click on Download and Install. The next one is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is System Restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on Open System Restore. Click on Next. Select Windows Update. Select Next and finally click on Finish and then click on Yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.